here. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency? What causes amplitude? So why you could have an A chord, but yet you have another note, but it's a higher pitch. So what causes amplitude is when there's a force, and this force creates an energy that vibrates from an impact that lacks tension. Now, this is a fascinating physics phenomenon. The distinction between amplitude and frequency is when a force is applied, and this force that's applied that creates an impact. This impact that creates